I use Nearpod to create an interactive lesson for students. This lesson is for a 7th grade math class using the Georgia Standards. It also falls under the Learning Goals standard from the International Society for Technology and Education. The first slide shows student-centered objectives using I can statements. This helps break down the standard for students in a less overwhelming fashion. This lesson will be teacher-led. The teacher is leading the group discussions, but the ideas come from the students. This is a crucial step in the opening activity. Students are asked to post an answer to how they would measure a pizza. It gets the students thinking mathematically before diving into the content. Once students submit their answers, the teacher will lead a whole group discussion and start leading into the idea of the lesson. The rest of the lesson is set up for student learning. Students are introduced to new vocab words, which are followed up with a comprehension check. Doing these informal assessments helps check for student understanding in a timely manner. The teacher can use this information to determine if the content needs to be re-explained or not. This Nearpod is accessible because each slide with text is accompanied by audio. Doing this ensures students' needs are met and everyone can get the information. The concluding activity allows students to submit an audio recording instead of text. This provides students with the opportunity to display their knowledge in multiple ways. The lesson ends by asking students to perform the I can statements from the beginning of the lesson. They answer the question using the information they've been taught, and the teacher can determine if the students met the criteria. Nearpod is a great way to make learning a little more interesting for students. It can lead to students feeling more involved with their learning too.